In this video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Excel to N8N so you can automate workflows directly with your spreadsheets. Start by creating a new workflow in N8N and adding a trigger. This could be a schedule, webhook, or manual trigger depending on your needs. Next, set up your credentials. Go to the credentials section, click Create New and select Microsoft Excel Auth 2. To get your credentials, register an app in Azure via the Microsoft Identity platform. You will receive a client ID, generate a client secret, and configure a redirect URI for N8N. Enter these details in N8N to securely link your account. Finally, add the Excel 365 node to your workflow and select the credentials you just created. Now, N8N can read and write data to your Excel files, automating tasks and saving you time. And that's it. Your Microsoft Excel is now connected to N8N, ready for seamless automation.